Nature, essence of spirituality. A renewed sentiment of piety clothes woman and man. Essential cut, smooth fabrics and subdued tones. These are the symbols of the neo-spirituality. In the perfect spontaneity of a flower is where the new fashion finds inspiration. The garments, in the form of delicate cocoons, snuggle the body, protecting it from the sight of others. Flowers and plants simplified with contrasting black and white effects. Nature is observed as though through a microscope and reinterpreted. Drops of water and dancing bubbles, eulogy of evanescence. In white, the look is purified. The dress is converted to the sacredness of white and celebrates the crowning of every woman as princess. Fashion, coherent and demure, is the representation of the soul. Simple clothes, but not to be taken for granted, in search of timeless classicism. The embossed Kala shirt wraps the woman in a saving cocoon, underscored by the rigor of a snug jacket. The collarless maxi overcoat, wholly akin to a cassock, lends purity to the whole. Man, in his unstructured grey-black suit, takes the appearance of a hieratic shepherd, almost unmindful of his body. The accessory serves to contain and renounces frills, superfluous. The case becomes an essential box with the sole concession of a gilt insert. The man's waist, strictly total black, is encircled with a thin belt that keeps the blazer as a seal. Spirituality pervades the makeup suggestions which highlight the eyes, proverbial mirror of the soul. The complexion is the meeting point between light and shadow, in a right mix of brightening products and earth tones. The features appear sculpted, at times even severe. On the eyes, the use of brown in all its shades makes the makeup evident, but never heavy. Perfect in shape, the mouth is softened by hues not far from the natural color. Interpreting the introspective bent of inside nature, CD Fashion has taken up the challenge of setting a hairstyle capable of following the trend, but also of contradicting it. This explains the volumes at once limited and soft, the colors both refined and bold. The cuts reflect a sense of rigor in the geometric features, but also give in to the pleasure of uneven waves and blocks. The detail is all about the important bangs, better if cut with dry hair, and about coloring techniques that give a vibrant and innovative result. Inside nature.